You weren't planning to spend money today, but Amazon had other plans. These kitchen and home gadgets are blowing up because they do the boring, annoying work for you. Less effort, less time, and yeah, a strong, I need this feeling. Stick around till the end. Some of these look unnecessary until you see what they actually do. Links are in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and accept that your Amazon cart is not surviving this video. This reusable gel lint roller is the simple upgrade every pet owner needs. Compact, lightweight, and always ready, it slips easily into your bag, suitcase, or pocket without taking up space. Despite its small size, the gel surface grips pet hair, dust, and crumbs instantly from clothes, sofas, beds, carpets, and more without damaging fabric. Made from upgraded diatomite gel with strong adhesion, it lifts fur effectively while staying gentle on skin and textiles. No sticky sheets, no refills, no waste. When it's full, just rinse it under running water. The transparent body cleans in seconds and regains its original stickiness once dry, looking like new every time. Stylish, eco-friendly, and built for years of reuse, it replaces disposable lint rollers completely. You can get it for $9.99. This slim bathroom floor cabinet is made for small spaces that still need smart storage. Designed to fit neatly into narrow gaps, it turns unused corners into functional organization without overwhelming the room. With multiple vertical storage levels, it holds towels, toiletries, paper products, magazines, or everyday essentials while keeping everything easy to reach and neatly arranged. Its minimalist design blends effortlessly into modern or classic bathrooms, adding a clean, polished look instead of visual clutter. Because it's freestanding and mobile, there's no installation required. Just place it where you need it. The movable design also makes floor cleaning simple, letting you shift the cabinet whenever needed without hassle. Built from durable materials with solid craftsmanship, this cabinet is made to stay stable and reliable over time, even in humid bathroom environments. It's a practical solution for bathrooms, laundry rooms, toilet areas, or small living spaces that need vertical storage without bulk. You can get it for $99.99. This under-cabinet paper plate dispenser is a simple upgrade that instantly clears counter clutter. Designed specifically for 10-inch paper plates, it stores them vertically so they're always easy to grab without stacking mess or wasted space. It fits neatly under cabinets with enough depth, keeping plates organized, hidden, and within reach. Made from solid bamboo, this dispenser feels sturdy and reliable for everyday use while adding a warm, natural touch to your kitchen. The smooth bamboo surface wipes clean in seconds, making maintenance effortless and hygienic. No complicated setup here. It installs quickly with adhesive tape, no drilling, no tools, and no damage to your cabinets. Perfect for busy kitchens, parties, or family meals, this dispenser keeps disposable plates tidy while freeing up valuable counter space. It's a practical solution that looks clean, intentional, and well-designed instead of bulky or plastic. You can get it for $23.73. This glassware storage set is one of those quiet heroes that saves your favorite cups from chips, cracks, and unnecessary stress. The set includes 2 stackable storage cases, one designed for coffee mugs and one for wine glasses, each holding up to 12 pieces with individual padded compartments. Every glass gets its own space, so nothing touches, rattles, or scratches. The rigid outer shell combined with a fully padded interior creates a protective barrier that works just as well in closets as it does during moves or seasonal storage. Zipper closures keep dust out, while the built-in label window makes it easy to identify what's inside without opening the case. These cases aren't limited to wine glasses either. They're perfect for beer glasses, champagne flutes, seasonal dishware, or even holiday ornaments. Sturdy side handles make carrying easy, and the water-resistant design adds extra peace of mind. A smart, space-saving way to protect glassware you actually care about. You can get the set for $39.99. This reusable microfiber ceiling fan cleaner makes one of the most annoying cleaning jobs fast, safe, and surprisingly easy. The soft, dense microfiber head traps dust instead of spreading it, so you're not sending debris into the air or onto your furniture. Its double-sided angled design wraps around fan blades, cleaning both sides at once for a more thorough result in fewer passes. The extendable pole adjusts from 13 to 49.7 inches, letting you reach ceiling fans, high shelves, walls, and window frames without climbing chairs or ladders. When you're done, the head detaches easily for cleaning, and the built-in hanging hole makes storage simple and compact. It's not just for fans either. Use it on blinds, furniture, doors, shelves, cars, and hard-to-reach corners where dust loves to hide. Lightweight, reusable, and practical. This is one of those tools you'll reach for again and again. You can get it for $13.99. The Mala Mole Olive Oil and Vinegar Dispenser Set is one of those kitchen upgrades that instantly makes everything feel more organized and intentional. Made from premium glass, these bottles are designed for clean, controlled pouring. No drips, no greasy rims, no messy countertops. The precision spouts help you pour exactly what you need, whether it's olive oil, vinegar, syrup, or cooking oil. What really sets this set apart is the thoughtful design. It looks elegant on the counter, works beautifully in daily cooking, and even includes waterproof labels so everything stays clearly identified and visually cohesive. It's functional, stylish, and practical at the same time. Perfect for everyday use or for elevating your kitchen setup, this set also makes a great housewarming or gift idea for anyone who loves a clean, modern kitchen. You can get it for $20.5. These Diatomite absorbent coasters are one of those small home upgrades that quietly make a big difference. Made from natural diatomaceous earth and plant fiber, they absorb water almost instantly and dry in just minutes, helping keep countertops clean, dry, and clutter-free. The grooved surface design isn't just aesthetic. It speeds up absorption, improves airflow, and adds a subtle anti-slip effect, so items stay in place. They work beautifully under hand soap dispensers, plant pots, cups, toothbrush holders, kitchen sponges, or bathroom toiletries where water usually pools. Their slim rectangular shape fits perfectly in modern spaces, blending functionality with a minimalist look. Cleaning is simple. Rinse with water, wipe with a damp sponge, and let them air dry naturally. If you like a tidy bathroom or kitchen without constantly wiping surfaces, these coasters are a smart, low-effort solution that feels both practical and refined. You can get the 2-pack for $9.49. This silicone produce storage set is a simple fix for one of the most common fridge problems: half-used fruits and veggies drying out or absorbing odors. Each container is designed to fit specific produce like onion, avocado, tomato, and lemon, with a flexible silicone lid that stretches to seal tightly without squashing food. The transparent tops make it easy to spot what's inside, while the compact shapes keep your refrigerator neat and organized. They're reusable, easy to rinse clean, and far more practical than plastic wrap or bags, perfect for keeping cut produce fresh longer with less waste and zero hassle. You can get the set of 4 for $15.69. The Command Broom and Mop Grippers are one of those small upgrades that instantly make your cleaning area feel organized. Each clip holds a broom or mop securely without drilling, screws, or wall damage. Just stick it on smooth surfaces like painted walls, tile, wood, or laminate, and you're done. They're designed to hold handles between 0.8 and 1 inch in diameter and support up to 4 pounds, making them perfect for brooms, mops, or even lightweight tools. When it's time to reorganize or decorate for the holidays, they remove cleanly with no residue or marks. Simple, reliable, and renter-friendly, this set keeps your cleaning tools off the floor and exactly where you need them. You can get the set for $9.44. The DEKAVA Under Sink Organizer is a smart solution for turning wasted cabinet space into organized storage. Its 2-tier design includes a smooth sliding bottom drawer, making it easy to grab cleaning supplies, bottles, or toiletries even in tight spaces. The lower basket fits items up to 10.3 inches tall, while the reinforced steel frame and ABS baskets keep everything stable and secure. It works perfectly under sinks, in bathrooms, kitchens, pantries, laundry rooms, or garages. No tools are required for setup, just snap the pieces together in minutes. The water-resistant, rust-proof materials make cleaning simple with a quick wipe. You can get the 2-pack for $23.39. These cascading hanger hooks are one of those simple tools that instantly make your closet feel twice as big. Each mini connector lets you hang one hanger from another, creating vertical space that's perfect for velvet hangers, wooden hangers, or slim suit hangers. Made from durable ABS plastic with smooth, rounded edges, they safely hold even heavier garments without bending or slipping. They work with pants hangers, kids hangers, sponge hangers, metal hangers, and more, as long as the hook thickness stays within standard size. With 60 pieces included, this is an easy, low-cost way to keep your closet neat, visible, and stress-free. You can get the full set for $8.99. This stainless steel slicing holder makes cutting onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more faster, safer, and perfectly even. The sharp steel prongs firmly grip food in place, helping you create uniform slices while protecting your fingers from knife slips. It works great for onions, tomatoes, lemons, avocados, eggs, meats, and soft fruits, acting as a stable guide for clean cuts every time. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip and better control, making food prep easier for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Made from durable stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, easy to clean, and built for everyday kitchen use. A small tool that makes a big difference when slicing becomes repetitive or messy. You can get it today for $9.98. Keep your pantry organized and your food fresh with this compact airtight cereal container. Designed with triple side lock lids and a silicone seal, it blocks air and moisture to preserve cereals, rice, flour, sugar, snacks, nuts, beans, or even dog and cat food for longer. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, it is safe, durable, reusable, and fully transparent, so you can see contents at a glance without opening the lid. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to grip and pour, while the built-in scale markings help you track quantities effortlessly. The wide pour spout allows smooth dispensing without spills or clogging, even with small grains or pet food. It also includes a screw-on measuring cup to keep food fresh and dry. Lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for pantry organization or everyday kitchen use. Available now for $17.09. This is one of those kitchen upgrades you don't think about until you use it once, and suddenly it feels essential. StoveShelf sits right on top of your stove using a strong magnetic design, giving you extra storage instantly with no drilling, no glue, and no screws involved. It fits most 30-inch flat or curved stoves and keeps oils, spices, and everyday cooking essentials within arm's reach while you cook. The size feels practical without adding visual clutter, and being made in the United States, the build quality feels solid and well thought out. It clears counter space, keeps things organized, and makes the whole cooking area feel calmer and more efficient. You can get it for $44.99. Closets get messy fast, especially when leggings, yoga pants, and activewear start piling up. This organizer fixes that without forcing you to fold, roll, or reorganize everything. Each set includes 2 metal hangers with 10 sturdy clips each, holding up to 20 leggings while taking up almost no space. You hang it straight out of the box, no assembly, and it works in closets, on doors, or even on walls. The rubber-coated clips grip firmly without leaving marks, so your clothes stay secure and protected. It's strong, practical, and surprisingly satisfying to use when getting dressed. Finding what you want becomes instant, and your closet finally feels under control instead of chaotic. You can get this set for $13.99. This is one of those tiny products that quietly saves you in public bathrooms, airports, camping trips, and everyday moments. These soap sheets look like paper, but the second they touch water, they dissolve and create a rich, foamy lather that actually cleans your hands. You get 12 compact boxes with 6 different colors and scents, so there's always one ready to go in your bag, pocket, or backpack. No spills, no bulky bottles, and no mess. The waterproof case keeps everything protected, and the formula feels gentle while still leaving your hands fresh and clean. It's perfect for travel, kids, emergencies, or daily carry when hygiene matters most, especially when soap is not available. Simple, practical, and surprisingly satisfying to use anywhere. You can get the full set for $9.49. Cutting pizza shouldn't turn into a wrestling match with a rolling cutter and sliding toppings. Sizza changes the whole experience by combining sharp kitchen scissors with a built-in slice server, so every cut is clean and controlled. It glides through thick crusts, deep dish, and flatbreads without dragging cheese or scratching your pans. The stainless steel blades are long, durable, and even separate for easy sharpening, while the protective base keeps non-stick surfaces safe. You slide it under the slice, cut, grab, and serve in one smooth motion. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and surprisingly fun to use. Once you try it, regular pizza wheels feel outdated. This one turns pizza night into a cleaner, faster, and more satisfying routine. You can get it for $24.48. Brushing your teeth shouldn't feel like a chore, and this toothbrush makes that clear from the first use. The Airtight M5 delivers powerful sonic cleaning with 41,000 vibrations per minute, helping remove plaque and surface stains far more effectively than basic electric brushes. It includes 5 brushing modes, a built-in 2-minute timer, and gentle reminders every 30 seconds so you brush evenly without thinking about it. You also get 8 brush heads, including sensitive options, which means long-term use without constant replacements. The battery charges fast, lasts for months, and the travel case makes it easy to pack and go. It feels sleek, quiet, and surprisingly premium for daily use at home or while traveling anywhere. It helps build better habits without effort and makes daily routines feel faster and more controlled. You can pick it up for $16.99. Closets don't look messy because you own too many clothes, they look messy because the hangers are working against you. These velvet hangers change that immediately. They're slim, lightweight, and strong enough to hold heavy jackets, suits, jeans, and full outfits without bending or slipping. The soft velvet finish grips fabric so clothes stay exactly where you hang them, while the shaped shoulders help maintain their form instead of stretching it out. Because the design is ultra-thin, you instantly free up a huge amount of closet space without removing anything. The rotating metal hook makes hanging and rearranging easy, and the clean black finish gives your closet a uniform, polished look. It's one of those upgrades that makes getting dressed feel calmer and more organized every single day. You can get the 60-pack for $28.48. If you carry your Stanley everywhere, this is the upgrade that fixes its biggest weakness. This flip straw lid is designed specifically for the 40-ounce Stanley H2.0 Quencher and Pro Tour, turning it into a truly spill-proof cup. The leak-resistant seal keeps drinks contained while walking, driving, or tossing it in a bag. The folding straw makes sipping easy, stays clean, and snaps shut to block dust and splashes. Made from BPA-free food-grade plastic, it feels solid and safe for daily use. The set includes 2 lids and matching straws, so you always have a backup ready. It's one of those small accessories that instantly makes your tumbler more practical. It adds confidence when moving fast and keeps hydration stress-free. Daily, you can get the 2-pack for $13.99. If you store dry foods, leftovers, or homemade snacks, this little device changes how you preserve everything. This electric vacuum sealer is designed to work with both wide mouth and regular mason jars, so you're not locked into one size. You place it on the lid, press a button, and in about 40 seconds the air is pulled out automatically. No pumping by hand, no hoses, and no bulky machines taking over your counter. It helps keep food fresh longer, protects flavor, and reduces waste without effort. The kit includes multiple lids for daily use, and the cordless design makes it easy to use at home or take along when traveling. It's practical, compact, and surprisingly satisfying to use once you see the seal lock in. You can get it for $29.99. If your pantry or fridge feels chaotic no matter how often you clean it, these containers bring instant structure. The ClearSpace XL bins are spacious, transparent, and designed to make everything visible at a glance, so nothing gets lost in the back. Built-in side handles make them easy to pull out, carry, and restock, while the stackable design helps maximize vertical space without clutter. They work just as well in pantries, cabinets, refrigerators, or even other rooms around the house. The removable dividers let you customize each container based on what you store, keeping food separated and organized. Everything looks cleaner, stays accessible, and feels intentional instead of messy. You can get the 4-pack for $49.99.